Okay guys, so we got this in to check out and review, and I have to say I actually kind of like this little kit. Myself being having an engineering background and stuff, I used to use these all the time in blueprinting and drafting. And this is the Y Plus Einstein Mathematics Drawing Instrument Kit. So let's open this up and let's take a look at it. So the first thing you're going to notice whenever you open it up is that you've got a bunch of different drawing tools in here. You got your protractor, where you can actually flex it out, draw circles, draw arcs, and do all kinds of stuff with it. Several pencils in here. You got a mechanical pencil. They provide you with the small pencil to go inside of your protractor, an eraser, pencil sharpener, and what do we got here? This looks like... This is your needle point. This is a new one, and this is an extension where you can actually put that in the place of this one right here, so you can do point to point and like check arcs and stuff. And a lot of drafting blueprints and stuff, you can actually do that with. You've got your protractor here, so you can see. That's your arc gauge, so you would actually be able to tell exactly what your arc is on a drawing. Comes with a small little ruler that looks like it's in centimeters and inches. You got your arc gauge, and they give you a square, or not a square, but a triangle. This is to measure and draw your right angles and triangles and stuff for doing trig. And here's you another one. So this is a really nice little set. I would definitely recommend this for somebody who's going to school and needs something for their math class or a drafting class. This is not an advanced set. This is for beginners. I will give it that. This is a beginner's set. So yes, this would be perfect, I think, for somebody just going to school, college, or what have you. This would be, like I said, your first year student going into a drafting class. But these things come in so handy. I've used them throughout my years in school, and I've got several sets of these things in my toolboxes. So yes, I would highly recommend these. Again, this is the Y Plus Einstein's Mathematics Drawing Instruments. So yeah, recommended.